While walking on ice, one should take small steps to avoid slipping. This is because smaller steps endure larger friction, smaller friction, larger normal force, and smaller normal force. See, I've made a diagram. While you're walking, you apply a foot backward direction in at some angle to the ground, and now it has two components, vertical and horizontal, and it is in reaction to this horizontal component that you have a friction. Okay, and that is why we said that friction helps us in walking forward. Now if you are taking very small steps, then you are definitely not pushing the ground with a larger force. So since you are pushing the ground with smaller force, there would be smaller friction. What we are trying to do when you're walking the ice is that we apply smaller force on ground so that the friction is also smaller, friction is also smaller, and remains within the limiting value and prevent slipping क्योंकि एक बार friction is equal to mu mg, which is the maximum value, that is f max, or greater than that. मतलब friction cannot be greater than that. What force you are applying is greater than that, then friction will always remain mu mg. You cannot go more than that. But then kinetic friction will start, which is slightly less than the maximum friction. So that will make you slip, because after that the sliding begins. Before mu mg, for f less than mu mg, there is no sliding, so you still remain stationary. So for that we apply lesser force, and for that we have to take smaller steps so that there is a smaller friction, and that is the answer to the question.